So this movie theater can hold 300 people. They found what the price was $8. And for that, I'm going to make a little table. So this is going to be the price that they charge. So if they charge $8, then their sales would be about 200. So for ticket sales, they would sell 250 tickets. And then when they increase the price by $1, so if they went up to $9, then they're going to lose 15 customers. So then 250 minus 15, that's 235. So then there would be 235 tickets sold. And then from this, we can create what's called the demand equation. That's the economics term for it, but basically we just need to find the equation of the line. So first, find the slope. So subtract the two y values. So y2 minus y1 is going to be 235 minus 250. And then subtract the two x values, 9 minus 8. And then on the top, that is a negative 15. And on the bottom, it's a 1. So the slope is negative 15, which is exactly what this part was saying. It drops by 15 people. And then use the point slope formula. So y minus the y value. And for that, you can use either pair of points. I'm going to use this pair. So y minus 250 equals the slope times x minus the 8. And then just distribute the negative 15. So on the right side, there's going to be negative 15 times x. And then what is 15 times 8? So that would be 40. And then 8 plus 4 is 12. So it's a 120. So plus a 120. And then I just need to add 250 to both sides. So to solve for y, add 250 and add 250. So that is a negative 15x plus 370, which basically means if the price was equal to 0, then 370 people would show up and they only can take 300 people. But they're not going to give it away for free anyway. Okay, now how do we maximize their revenue? Well, if you look, for example, when they charge $8 a ticket and 250 people come, then if you just multiply 8 times 250, which would be the same as 4 times 500, which would be $2,000. So they would make $2,000. So basically you just have to multiply the x with the y, and then that's going to be how much money they make. So we just found out this is what y equals. So their revenue, and I'll call it R for revenue in general, is the price times the number of tickets, so x times y. And then replace the y with the negative 15x plus 370. And if you just multiply this out, it becomes a quadratic function. So that's going to be negative 15x squared plus 370x. And the reason I'm so excited about that is because then we could use the shortcut formula for finding the maximum. So that is basically that's saying that the graph is an upside down parabola. So it looks like this. And then the maximum for that will be when x equals negative b over 2a. So basically, we just need to do that little formula. So x equals negative 370 divided by 2 times the negative 15. And then, of course, the negatives are going to cancel. So I basically just need to know what is 370 divided by 30. So what is 370 divided by 30? 370 divided by 30 So they should be charging $12.33. Since it is money, we then round it to 2 decimals. $12.33 is what they should be charging to maximize the revenue. Now I need to go back and see, does that answer the question completely? So what price, so that was the X, should they charge to make the maximum revenue? So yes, X equals the $12.33 is the price they should be charging.